Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. I'm pretty sure it's June when you're watching this, so I'm sorry, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. This and my Medusa's makeup will be the only subscriptions you guys see for now. I did unsubscribe to most of my subscriptions except for my Boxycharm, and then my Medusa's makeup is actually a gift that I get every month from my mom from Christmas. So you'll see those two, but for now, that's what we're doing. So I might resubscribe to some in the future. We'll see. Let me know if you guys still want to see like all of my Ipsies and the Boxycharm Premium and Boxycharm Luxe in the future, and I'll resubscribe. Luxe, I'm pretty sure, is a waiting list, so I'd probably put on that. So let me know. But here we go with my Boxycharm unboxing. So on top here we've got the little card. This says Boxycharm Flourish. I think it says Flourish is the theme, so there's that. And then of course there are the products and prices on the other side. So first thing right on top that I see here is this. This is by Ciate London. This is the Bamboo Bronzer. That's exciting. Do you have a shade name, or is there only one shade? Let's see. Palm Island. So I don't know if there's more than one shade or if it's just one shade, but it's in the shade Palm Island. This retails for $28. No smell. Ooh, it looks kind of orangey, which I know my makeup today looks really orangey. Oh, yeah, it looks kind of orangey, but we'll definitely try it. I am in the market for a new bronzer because I literally have like two that I like, so definitely in the market. Next thing I see is this. I was super excited about this at first, and then I remembered they're not cruelty free anymore. This is the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This retails for $30. I used to love this stuff, but I'm pretty sure I read that Hello Fab is no longer cruelty free. I think they're selling in China, which, yeah, like it's kind of like the Wet n Wild thing where you can say, and the Physicians Formula, where you can say you're cruelty free because you don't have to test your products on animals to sell there. But if they ever do like a random testing, or if somebody has like a skin irritation from that product, they will pull the product and they will do testing on animals, is how I understand it. If I'm wrong and you know the correct way of saying that, please correct me down below. But I'm pretty sure I watched somebody's video and that's what they explained, and I kind of like clicked into it and I was like, okay, yeah. But this used to be one of my favorite primers, so that's cool. If cruelty free isn't something that matters to you, then this is a really good product, but unfortunately not a product I'll be using. Next thing in here is this little brush. This is by Bella Pierre. This is a little, ooh, soft. It's a mini Kabuki brush. I call it a bronzer brush because that's what I use these for, but this retails for $20. It says it's perfect for all over mineral foundation application. Like a staple. It can be used as powder to blend face makeup for a more natural look. Cruelty-free blush. Awesome. 100% synthetic fibers that will not shed during makeup application. So cool. It's not something that I'm like, yeah, a Kabuki brush, but it's something I'll definitely use. So that's cool. Ooh, this is what I picked. So this is by Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's $21 a month, first of all. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and you get to pick a product every month. So I picked this one. This itself retails for $27. So the product that I picked is actually more than what the box is. So that's always exciting to me when you see that. But this might be a little dark. Maybe not. It's in the shade Sunbeam, which was the lightest shade option that they had on the website. I don't know if it's the lightest shade total, but there's what the wand looks like. Smells like Shape Tape. I do really like Tarte Shape Tape, so I wanted to try this one out because, you know, glowy is always better in my opinion because I have very dry skin. It's got a little like bouncer thing on this side. I don't know that I would actually use that, but it's cute and it's soft. So there's that. Last thing in here is by Cab Cosmetics, or KAB. I'm not sure how they say that. I would assume it's Cab. This is the Day and Night something or other eyeshadow palette. This retails for $52. I've never heard of this brand. Are you cruelty free? I should check that. Yes, they are cruelty free right there. Again, that doesn't necessarily mean anything because brands can do the whole test and China thing, but I always look it up for you and I will let you know down below what I discover. So check the description for that information. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. I don't know. I don't look at this and go $52. So it's like cardboard packaging. The mirror is nice, but it's not even like full mirror. I don't know. I don't know about that because they're not spending any money on this packaging because it's literally just cardboard. Let's do some swatching. I'm gonna swatch Moon Dust here. I'm gonna do Burnt Orange. Ooh, that matte feels super creamy though, I will say. Let's do Stella. The mattes actually feel creamier than the metallics, which is weird. There is that. Yeah, I think I'm into the matte shades more than I am the metallics, just based on initial swatching. So that's interesting. I already said that retailed for $52. I need a makeup wipe. I'm trying really hard to not move too much because that window behind me is obnoxious. I will get curtains up as soon as I can, you guys. I'm sorry. I didn't even think about it, but that's literally the only place in here I have to film is right in front of this window. But I like it because it's got like this really cute shelf behind me that I can do stuff with. So we'll see. Quick recap. Day and Night palette is whatever. Like, it's pretty. I don't know. Something about it being $52 is like annoying to me because it's not like pretty packaging. It's not a brand I've ever heard of. So, and like the first ingredient is talc and mica, which I'm pretty sure are fairly cheap ingredients. If I'm wrong on that, please correct me. But yeah, so there's that. The Tarte Shape Tape I'm very excited for. I chose this, so obviously I was excited to try it. I can't close it. Okay, whatever. The bronzer I'm excited for. Again, I don't think it's going to be a great shade match for me just based on initial swatching, but I'm excited. I do tend to like Ciate products. This I'd be excited for if it was still cruelty free, but you know, it's not, so that's fine. I love getting moisturizers. And the brush is whatever, like it's not something I'm stoked about, but it's not a bad thing to get. So all in all, an okay box. Some of it I'm excited for, some of it I'm not. So whatever you want to make of that is what I would call that. So don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.